In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create minutes of meeting in OneNote. First, we begin by opening OneNote. This is your workspace where all your notes and information will be organized. When you launch the application, you will see a familiar interface filled with notebooks, sections, and pages. It's important to ensure you are in the right notebook. If you have multiple notebooks, select the one that corresponds to the meeting for which you are taking minutes. This makes it easier to find the information later. Once you've opened your desired notebook, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, we will create a new page. You can do this by selecting the Add Page option, usually found on the right side of the screen. A blank page will appear, ready for your input. This is where all your meeting details will be recorded. Having a dedicated page for each meeting helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. It also allows you to maintain clarity when reviewing past meetings. Once the new page is created, let's move on to naming it. Now, let's name the page Meeting Minutes. Replace date with the actual date of the meeting. This title will help you quickly identify the meeting later on. Clear and descriptive titles are crucial for effective organization. It ensures you can find your notes without scrolling through multiple pages. Once you've named your page, you can start adding sections to structure your meeting minutes effectively. Next, we will add the first section, Meeting Details. This is where you will capture essential information about the meeting. Meeting details serve as a summary that provides context to your notes. It includes vital information such as the date, time, and attendees. Having this information upfront is valuable for anyone reviewing the minutes in the future. This clarity fosters better understanding and accountability among participants. Now, under Meeting Details, let's include the date, time, and attendees. Each of these fields should be clearly labeled for easy reference. Fill in the date and time of the meeting accurately. Then list the attendees to keep track of who was present. This is important because it not only documents who participated, but also helps to identify who may need to follow up on action items later. Next, we will move on to the agenda section. This part outlines the topics that will be discussed during the meeting. It's a roadmap that ensures the meeting stays on track and covers all necessary points. By having an agenda, you can also make sure that all participants are aware of what to expect. In the agenda section, list topic 1 and topic 2. These should be the main points to be discussed. Be concise but clear in your topic descriptions. A well-defined agenda is crucial because it sets the tone for the meeting and helps manage time effectively. Once you have listed your topics, we can proceed to the next section. Now, let's dive into the notes section. This is where you'll write down important discussions that happen throughout the meeting. Capture key points, insights, and any relevant conversations that arise. This section is vital because it ensures that valuable information is documented for future reference. You want to create a comprehensive record that reflects the discussions accurately. As you write, remember to focus on clarity and brevity. Following the notes section, we will add the decisions section. Here you will list all decisions made during the meeting. This is crucial for accountability and tracking progress on various issues. Decisions often drive the direction of future meetings and actions. A clear record of these choices helps everyone remain aligned on agreements made. Next, we will create the action items section. This is where you'll detail each task, including the person responsible and the due date. Format it as task, person responsible, due date. This structure is essential for clarity and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Clear action items help prevent misunderstandings and keep the team accountable for their tasks. Finally, let's wrap up by adding the next meeting section. Here you will specify the date and time of the next meeting. This not only helps attendees plan ahead, but also reinforces ongoing collaboration. A well-organized minutes document helps maintain momentum on projects and discussions. With that, you have successfully created minutes of meeting in OneNote. Following these steps ensures you have a comprehensive record that is easy to review and reference.